Feeling good.
Hey, focus.
Let's mix it up. They should be safe now. This mark is a different color.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm sorry I can't come to the phone. Many unforeseen happenings. On that note, let me report my status. Only Dale and I managed to escape Shibuya as originally planned. We were separated from the others at the parking lot near Jizo Street. I initially thought that KK had died. But, as souls are being transmitted, he may still be alive after all. Head out.
Still great with people, I see. You mentioned a parking lot by Jizo Street. Might be where Ed and Dale were waiting. Let's check it out. This is it. We better take care of these things first. It's locked.
Looks like someone dropped something.
If you won't take me, I'll go myself. Erika, wait! Look, I'm going after her. You two get out of Shibuya like we planned.
And what about KK?
Tell him he can't let Erika fight. And put this inside the locker at the station.
Will do. Tell us where you think Erika may have gone. We'll help search.
I'm sure you can guess why things didn't exactly work out. Let's get to Shibuya Station. We had a rental locker there that we used for dead drops. Sounds like Rinko put something there.
see someone's psychic trail.
So, she's using the spirit transmission lines to skate around. Same as ever, even as a spirit. Looks like Rinko kept looking for Erika, even after her death.
Let's do it!
Let's see what's in the locker. That's Rinko. She left this key and a note in case she couldn't find Erika.
You think Rinko went to the apartment in the note?
Yeah, she said she would. I'd call that a promise.
That's the way.
Making me proud.
So, who's Erika?
She was one of us. She had the affinity. She was gonna fight alongside us. But Rinko didn't want her getting involved. Erika had her own reasons to fight. That freak in the mask. He's her father.
You know how that building there got rebuilt a while back? The whole thing's above ground now. The thing is, there used to be a basement.
Right, that's a pretty famous urban legend around here. There was supposed to be a monster lady dressed in red or something.
Yeah, and they say there's still stairs there that go down to the basement. You gotta walk through the building alone, and then you'll find a staircase. Thing is, no one who's gone down there, I should know.
Maybe we should investigate.
Really? It's just...
The source of corruption is human pathos. If the legend's well known, it must have gathered powerful emotions. Letting them fester too long can't lead to anything good. Like the spirit said, look for stairs down that aren't supposed to be. Wait. I'm sensing something nearby. Bingo.
So that's what was happening.
Oh, why did I ever come down here? Just turn around and leave while you still can. Oh,
Now to find our woman in red.
Not looking forward to what happens when we do. A woman's voice? What the?
Well, guess we're gonna see this through now.
That's a
woman
positive
in red.
spin on the situation.
The boss around here. If you could get rid of her, maybe we'd all... Do you know why her clothes are red? They're soaked in the blood of her victims. The woman in red. She'll kill me. Cut on it. Quick.
Is she inviting us in?
It's possible. She's watching us. Keep looking around.
No way. The whole thing's for real.
Explain why nobody's come back. That's for sure. Well done. Now our victims can finally rest. Looks like the entire basement disappeared with her. Just like I thought. The legends created that place.
That can happen?
Sure can. Bad rumors often attract negative energy. Blink, and it turns into corruption. Blame it on gossip that takes on a life of its own.
Again? Let's hustle out of here. Where is it?
Search everywhere.
That's the way.
These are the apartments you mentioned. Building C's gotta be somewhere.
All right, I'll look around.
What's taking you so long? He's going to get what he wants if you don't hurry. The source of that fog is a shrine to the southwest.
Got it. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Erika. No, we've got bigger things to worry about. Now get going.
That's cold. Too cold. Not like her at all. Erika?
Looks like she's trying to tell us something.
Maybe. But who do we trust? I know who my money's on. This is the place.
Something feels off.
Getting bad vibes. Search around.
They were really stocking up.
Is that Rinko? Wait, someone else is there.
I remember her from the hospital. She's with him.
I knew we were dealing with a fake.
They must have taken Rinko when she came here looking for Erika. Guess they were taking care of the cats together.
You like petting them?
Yeah, and?
I guess the cat's out of the bag, huh?
You could say that.
Good. Then I don't have to sneak around anymore. I'll just leave you in here.
She disappeared.
She's around somewhere. Find her.
KK! I'll hold her back. Get her! Now!
Rinko. Damn, you screwed up bad.
Trying to make up for it. Hurry!
KK, over there.
Rinko! Don't think I've forgiven you.
Yeah, well, I didn't expect you to. But we can at least fight together again. Can't we?
Maybe. It all depends on you. What the hell is going on? Rinko, hold her back a little longer.
We're taking Rinko back. We're back outside.
I don't see Rinko. Find her.
Something's coming. It's like a snake.
That one's creepy. changing my mind about it. Like a Kappa. Must be close.
Gotta save more of them. Here we go again. This looks like that park from before.
Hey, check out that psychic energy. So she broke off from Rinko and bolted.
Where's Rinko?
These apartment blocks always give me a bad feeling. They're just too quiet.
Oh, thank God. Glad you're okay.
Yeah, we're fine. But what about you?
Nothing to worry about.
You sure about that?
I'm me again. Plus, I picked up a few things from that whole experience. I know where the fog around here is coming from now. I'll fill you in.
Now? Oh, let me find a pen or something.
No need. The nice thing about being in this form is that the physical doesn't hold me back anymore. I'll just transmit it to you now. The rest is up to you boys.
Let's get on those new Tory gates.
Good. Back to work. Looks like we're getting close now.
Keep your guard up. The enemy's bound to try something sooner or later. Now's a good time to try learning some new moves. You've gotten a lot stronger.
I really wish I didn't have to.
Akito, look. The light's fading. We better get over there quick. I hate waiting for people to shop.
Oh, boo-hoo. Not bad.
Hey, quit it!
Wonder what this is.
The light should be coming from further in. Hey, that's not half bad.
What the?
People's spirits. All the ones they've been gathering.
But there are so many.
You get less worked up over things the longer you're a detective. Couldn't do our jobs if we let everything get to us. But every now and then, you still run into cases that just knock you flat on your ass. Case in point right here.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
That feeling in your chest, screaming at you to make it right. Hold on to that feeling. It's what gives life meaning.
We can go through here. What is he going to do with Maury?
That guy's the reason I got stuck with these powers. It's all one big science experiment. He'll use your sister without a second thought. Just focus on saving her.
Now. We can't have our lab rats scurrying from their cages.
You!
KK! Wait! Where's Maury?
A fascinating reunion, but that will have to wait. The ceremony is soon to commence. I have no more use for either of you. It is unfortunate, but you are both beyond salvation.
What are you saying? Give her back!
Alas, you are too late to speak your final farewells. She has already taken her place atop the final stage.
She's what?
There remains work yet undone. Critical work. I shall have these two look after you in my stead.
You really think this shit can bring back the dead?
KK. What are you talking about?
This crackpot wants to harvest a ton of human souls to connect our world to the next. His wife got sick and died 5 years ago. Now he's trying to bring her back. I'm sure his daughter would be so proud of what dear old dad has become. Holy.
KK. What's the deal? Who are they?
Forgive me, but I believe I have misled you. My wife and daughter understand me perfectly. I have but to beckon their souls back from beyond. Special credit must be given to my daughter. This barrier would not exist were it not for her.
You sacrificed your own kid for this?
The body is not but a vessel for the soul. Why must one be attached to a thing so ephemeral?
This guy is cracked.
The time is nearly upon us.